YouTube, what is going on? Listen, I'm in a new place. I mean, I've been here for a little while, but I had to take my whole office apart. I am in a new place compared to what you will see. The video that you're seeing is an unboxing of a tool that I'm super excited about. I've been using it for several weeks now. So you're gonna see my old office. I just wanted to give you an intro to let you know I'm sorry for the delay in the videos. It's been a while, I know, but I was in the middle of transitioning between where I was and where I am today. So bear with me as we get these videos started back up again. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I got some cool things over here lined up. For one of you guys sent this over to me, and I gotta say I am really pumped to get my hands on these and try these out. I know this is an unboxing video about another clipper, but I just wanted to show you guys that we got things in the works. I got another set. This one I purchased with my own hard-earned money, and I'm excited to get my hands on this one. I got other things that are in the works. I still haven't even unboxed this, guys. I know. So there are things that we're gonna be doing, and I'm excited about. If you're excited, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also, the video that follows this will be a review of the 1971s, I promise. And then after that, not too long after the unboxing that you see of this video, or the clipper that you see in this video, will be a full review within a week or so, because literally I've been using it for several weeks, which is amazing. And I don't want to say too much about it. Just know that I do really like the clipper. So yeah, anyways, let's get to this unboxing already. I'm sure you don't want to hear me ramble. I'll probably do an update video where I give a little more explanation, or if you guys want to see me do a live stream within the next couple days, smash that like button. Also leave a comment down below about certain things you want me to touch on, and we'll go from there. And when I'm talking about touch, I'm talking about like what points would you like to know about clippers and stuff like that. So don't get sick in the mind. But anyways, let's get to this unboxing. All right, later. We're back, and we got another clipper unboxing. So this one I'm kind of excited about. Why? Well, because this is a upgraded, I don't want to say upgraded, it's a newer version of a clipper that I absolutely love, and that is a Kiki New Game. Very similar to the Wahl Magic Clip. I love it. It's literally my second go-to favorite clipper. So I did a review. Go look in the description. I'll leave a link down in the description, so check it out. But today we're gonna be doing an unboxing, and it's not made by Kiki New Game. This says manufactured by Impal Technology, which I actually am a fan of their stuff because they make some pretty cool headphones and stuff like that. Now, obviously, I don't believe that they made this clipper. I believe that they're slapping their name on it. Now, I don't even know how to pronounce this, so I'm not gonna try, but here is the logo or the name of the clipper that they're sticking on it, but it's pretty much what I would consider a newer version of that clipper. So let's take a look and unbox this. So right off the back, we are introduced with the model number, which is BY081A. And there we go. We got some information here, and I'll just read real quick what's in here. So we have a USB line, so it's charged via USB, which is good. You guys know how much I like that aspect of it. It also has a carrying pouch, big comb, and a brush, and it has 6 guards and that blade guard. All right, I'm trying to look to see if we have any information about charging. Before the equipment is used for the first time, you should be charging 3 to 5 hours plug the cord directly into the unit. So that's always very important. You have to try to charge it. Don't you, even if it says 100%, still try to charge it for 3 to 5 hours as stated there, just to make sure that it gives it a full charge once over. So make sure you do that. So that's good enough for that information. We'll put this here and we'll get into the guards. So we have one, it looks like it's probably 1 through, just take them all out. So we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, a lot of us are always kind of disappointed that they don't stick the 1.5 and the half guards, but those are like some of the 2 most important guards when you're blending. But nonetheless, you got 1 through 6 here, which is nice. And these look like legit guards. These are guards that I actually use myself, and they're not the cheap plastic crap that a lot of other clippers give you. And we have the USB cable. Now, if it's anything like the Kiki New Gain clipper, that if you did not use the charger that came with, it would not charge the actual clipper. So you got to make sure you keep that in mind, and make sure you don't lose this guy, because if it's anything like that, then you're gonna be out of luck. So here's the charger. This is the port it uses. Toss that aside. Here's the velvet pouch that you can stick it in. Now, I honestly never use these things, because if I'm gonna travel my clipper, I'm not gonna stick it into this guy. I'm gonna put it into one of my clipper carrying cases. And this comb right here, super cheap. I don't know if I would actually use this in a shop environment, but it's here nonetheless. So if you're using it for home use, it's something. It's better than nothing. Let me comb. Again, I didn't comb my beard today. All right. And then we have this guy here, little detail cleaner. So we got this guy here. All right, put this all aside and let's open this guy up. And now you can see what I am talking about here. This is very similar to it. It even shows the same display. Let's take this out, unwrap this, put this aside over here, guys. And if I turn it on, you will see the LED lights here. Now, if you guys were following me on Instagram, you would have known that I actually had a friend of mine pick this up before I did, and once he did, because I actually thought it was the Kiki, just a different version of it. I mean, a different name, but I thought it was the Kiki one, and it ended up being this guy right here, and we were very impressed. So I've already seen it at work. From what I understand, this blade is okay. It's not the greatest, but I will be changing it to the blade that I always use, which is the Wahl fade blade. Link will be down in the description, so I know a lot of people ask. And so I'm gonna turn it on real quick for you guys, and you can see. There we go, 100, see, it has the same exact LED readout. I like that it has 3, because I'm coming across some clippers now that are just having 2, so it only goes to 99 for whatever that is. And the power seems pretty good. A lot of people are gonna like this feature. This didn't have it in the actual Kiki one, but it's a little click lever. My only thing is it seems like it's only 4. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm not a fan of just having it 4x4, and this blade is crooked, so we're gonna 0 gap this anyways. Oh, it's actually, nah, we gotta 0 gap this. But so like you see, it's got the click lever. I don't like when it's 4. I might de-click it myself. You might like that click. I like the click, but it's only got 4, and that just means that you're not gonna have the real fine-tune adjustment that I would like. The throw on it seems to be pretty good, meaning when you close it and you open it, the gap there seems to be very nice so that you can really get in there when you're doing a half and get in there between the 1 and a half. So that's good. It is missing the little like hand rest here. It's just flat, which might throw some people off depending on, you know, how you feel about that. It's not a heavy machine, though it does feel a little bit heavier than the Kiki one, but build quality is good. This is the machine. This is the charging port. I wish they would have had a USB connected to it as well, but it don't. But nonetheless, this is what it is right here. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna be using this at the time of this video. If you're watching me, I've probably already been using this for probably a week to 2 weeks. So I'll have a thorough review of this guy and how it works. Again, I will leave a link in the description. We'll talk about battery life. We'll talk about everything in the follow-up video when it comes to this, and is how it stacks up to the Kiki one. Again, this will be on Amazon, which is you can get it, you know, if you got Prime, you can get it within a day to 2 days, or, you know, sometimes it takes a little longer, but nonetheless, link to this guy will be in the description. I am super pumped up to use this guy. Again, if it's anything like the one that I love so much, I'm happy to get this. This does have a little bit of a slimmer body, so I'm looking forward to it. See ya.